How to create valuable content that matters to your audience. There's no question about it. Content is king. Whether your content comes in text, video, image, or audio format, if what you have to say is valuable, people are going to love you. In today's presentation, you're going to learn how to create valuable content that matters to your audience. Listen to what your audience wants. Look for where your audience hangs out, whether it be on social media, on forums, or on popular websites. Seek them out and learn all about their problems. Try to address their biggest pain points. Write it all down and do your best to answer their problems. Make it personal, so when they read your content, it will feel like you're talking directly to them. Make your content easy to consume. You can write the most in-depth article that solves a very specific problem. You know it's going to help a lot of people. But if you make your content hard to read, then chances are people are not going to want to read it. Knowing who your audience is plays a crucial role as it allows you to create content that people can relate to and understand. If your content is targeted towards regular people, then try not to use difficult words that won't make sense to them. Instead, use simple language so they can easily understand it. Additionally, try to avoid writing blocks of text. Use plenty of white space. Use bullet points and headers to make your content easy on the eyes. Your audience will thank you for it. Make your content actionable. Don't leave your audience hanging. Tell your audience what you do in your content. Don't leave them confused. Spell it out if you have to. If you know a particular product is going to help address a pain point, then ask them to click on the link or download the product so it can help them. Lastly, know where your audience hangs out. You want people to read your valuable content, right? If you're waiting for them to find you on Google, you may wait a very, very long time. So go out where your audience is and let them know about your content. And don't forget to ask them to share it with other people who can also benefit from your solution.